Is Crackle on Roku? Yes, Crackle is available on Roku, allowing users to stream a variety of free movies, TV shows, and original content. Since Crackle is an ad-supported service, it does not require a subscription or payment to access its content. Below is a guide on how to use Crackle on Roku. How to add Crackle on Roku. Turn on your Roku device and go to the Roku home screen. Select streaming channels to open the Roku channel store. Search for Crackle using the search function. Click Add Channel to install Crackle on your Roku device. Once installed, open the Crackle app and start streaming for free. Do you need an account to watch Crackle? No account is required to watch movies and TV shows on Crackle. However, creating a free Crackle account allows users to save favorites and resume a playback across devices. Content available on Crackle. Crackle offers a rotating selection of movies and TV shows in genres like action, comedy, thriller, and drama. The platform also includes original content and classic films. The content library updates frequently, with new additions replacing older titles. Is Crackle on Roku free? Yes, Crackle is completely free on Roku. The service is ad-supported, meaning users will see commercials while streaming content. Streaming quality and experience. Crackle supports HD streaming, but video quality depends on the title and internet connection. Some movies and shows may contain commercial breaks, similar to watching TV. Comparison with other free streaming apps on Roku. Crackle versus Tubi. Both offer free content, but Tubi has a larger library. Crackle versus Freevee. Crackle focuses on original programming, while Freevee offers some newer movies. Crackle versus Pluto TV. Crackle is on demand only, while Pluto TV includes live TV channels. Who should use Crackle on Roku? Ideal for budget-conscious viewers looking for free entertainment. Best for those who don't mind watching ads in exchange for free content. A good option for fans of classic and original programming. Crackle is a great free streaming service on Roku, offering a mix of movies, TV shows, and original content without requiring a subscription. The ad-supported model makes it an excellent choice for viewers looking for cost-free entertainment on their Roku devices.